is a special book read. This is a special poem read for you to really focus on pronunciation. So, first just listen to the poem. പിന്നെ രണ്ടാമത് അതിൻ്റെ pronunciation ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. മൂന്നാമത്തെ വട്ടം എൻ്റെ കൂടെ പറയാൻ ശ്രമിക്കണം കേട്ടോ. This is amazing for children and adults and all. This is Revolting Poetry by Roald Dahl. See? And it's a story we all know. Cinderella. I guess you think you know this story. You don't. The real one is much gory. The phony one, the one you know, was cooked up years and years ago and made to sound all soft and sappy just to keep the children happy. Mind you, they got the first bit right. The ugly sisters, jewels and all, departed for the palace ball, while darling little Cinderella was locked up in the slimy cellar, where rats who wanted things to eat began to nibble at her feet. Oh no! She bellowed, "Help! And let me out!" The magic fairy heard her shout. Appearing in a blaze of light, she said, "My dear, are you all right?" "All right?" cried Cindy. "Can't you see? I feel as rotten as can be." She beat her fist against the wall and shouted, "Get me to the ball." There is a disco at the palace. The rest have gone and I am jealous. I want a dress, I want a coach and earrings and a diamond brooch and silver slippers, 2 of those, and lovely nylon pantyhose. Done up like that, I'll guarantee the handsome prince will fall for me. The fairy said, "Hang on a tick." She gave her wand a mighty flick, and quickly, in no time at all, Cindy was at the palace ball. It made the ugly sisters wince to see her dancing with the prince. She held him very tight and pressed herself against his manly chest. The prince himself was turned to pulp, and all he could do was gasp and gulp. Then midnight struck. She shouted, "Heck! I've got to run to save my neck." The prince cried, "No, alas, alack." He grabbed her dress to hold her back. As Cindy shouted, "Let me go," the dress was ripped from head to toe. Oh my God, that's a really twisted Cinderella. So this is still a very funny read and it'll help you kind of better your pronunciation skills. Play it for your children. Listen to it multiple times. And if you've not subscribed to Kutti Petti yet, I think you should. Because Kutti Petti also has poems. Kutti Petti. Keep following Surya's Simple English. Kutti Petti is a very special box with a special person as a star in it. If you would love to have a surprise come home every month and also help you learn and better yourself and have fun as a family and get your children to read books, or maybe you read books, then you should subscribe to it. It's only 250 rupees a month, and that's a really amazing deal for such a wonderful box. Subscribe to Kutti Petti today.